Hi guys, so we're gonna cook chicken curry tonight. So here are the ingredients: garlic, onion, tomato. I put some tomato so it's going to create color. Chilies, potato, carrots, of course, coconut milk, and curry paste. This one's optional. Nor this is a chicken cube, and we got our marinated chicken wings. Tika. I'm using coconut oil. Bawang first. Meron tayong iba-ibang style ng pagluto ng chicken curry. So this is my version. Ibuyas. Yes, excellent kamatis. I'm eating cherry tomatoes at tira na ako ibang kamatis. So palabasin natin yung ano ng kamatis. Yung juice. Yung iba hindi naglalagay ng kamatis, which is okay. Lagyan natin yung marinated na chicken. Tag-isa lang guys. Isahin lang natin ng 5 minutes. At this point, you can put pepper. Ay, 5 minutes pa. So wait lang natin ng 5 minutes. So nag-brown, we're gonna add water later. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes guys. Pwede natin lagyan ng tubig. Lagyan natin ng tubig kasi gusto natin yung malambot na chicken. Sarap kasi pag malambot na chicken. So 1 cup of water. Water. So, takpan lang natin for hanggang na ma-absorb ng chicken yung water. Okay. So habang kumukulo, lagyan na natin yung mga vegetables. Meron tayong carrots and potato. Tapos lagyan na rin natin yung nor para malasa. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting pepper. Half tablespoon. Gano'n. So mix, mix, mix. Okay. Antayin natin soft yung mga vegetables at yung chicken. Okay. Papalan natin and wait tayo lang. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. So now it's time for us to put the curry paste, not powder. Curry paste. So natin. Okay. Add the coconut milk. Beautiful. Tikman niyo muna guys before kayo maglagay ng salt. Kasi minsan, yung curry paste is may may pampalasa. So yun na. Lapit na to guys. Hang in there. So mix lang natin and 5 minutes and pwede na to. Okay, tikman natin guys kung need pa ng salt or hindi na. No need na. Kasi meron na tayong nilagyan na natin kanina ng nor. Optional lang, pwede din kayo mag-add ng cheese if you like. Pwede din milk if you want more, if you want creamier. So, lagyan na natin yung ring and wait na lang maybe 3 minutes. Panak. Okay guys, luto na. Okay, luto na. Kain na tayo. Ito yung perfect na dinner. Ayan, sauce. Gusto mo ng maraming sauce. More. Kain na.